Hello there, today I am going to show you how to remove backgrounds from images using Canva. And here is how. Method number 1. Simple background removal. If you have an image with a solid background, Canva makes it super easy to remove it. First, select the image you want to edit, tap on Edit Photo. Then, click on Effects from the toolbar above the editor. Choose Background Remover, and just like magic, Canva will automatically remove the background for you. Note, this feature is only available to pro users. Method number 2. Manual background removal. For more complex images or if you want more control over the removal process, you can do it manually. Again, select your image and click on Effects, choose Background Remover, and this time select Manual. Now use the eraser tool to fine-tune the background removal. It is that simple. So there you have it, everyone. Removing backgrounds in Canva is a breeze, whether you are using the automatic tool or fine-tuning it manually. That's it. That is how to remove background in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.